In this video, I'll show you how to refit the seat links on the Insignia product. So the seat links, there are 4 of them, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. The bottom 2 have 2 springs. On the left-hand side, which I'm working on here, the spring orientation should go in an anti-clockwise direction. On the right-hand side, the spring orientation will be a clockwise direction. Notice the 2 springs have 2 tabs. The tabs, when refitting, must be to the back side of the frame tab. To refit, making sure the tabs are to this side, push on at a slight angle, rotate and push. Once that's on, you should be safe to try the machine out. You should have a nice assisted seat assembly. You can then refit the bolts, making sure that each bolt is done tight, and also make sure that each bolt has the starred washer which grips and holds the bolt and stops it from coming loose. Make sure they're nipped up tight. Again, test the seat.